And it's the most expensive plane ever built, even though the small fleet of B-2 Spirit remains one of the most powerful weapons in the United States arsenal. The development of this stealth strategic bomber had started in 1978, and the US Air Force initially wanted 133 units, but successive budget cuts reduced the order to only 21 aircraft. But why did the Northrop Company choose this flying wing configuration? It's something we'll see in a new video from the world of aviation's Aeropedia. The story of this aircraft begins with the Advanced Tactical Vehicle Program, Advanced Tactical Bomber. The main contractor was Northrop, responsible for the overall design and systems integration. But due to the complexity of the program, other companies such as Boeing, Hughes, General Electric, and Bout Aircraft were also involved. The original intention of the Advanced Tactical Vehicle for the Cold War was to deploy a low observability bomber capable of attacking Soviet strategic targets. 6 prototypes were built. The first of them flew on July 17, 1989. A flying wing configuration had been decided on from the beginning. Devotees of the flying wing like Hugo Junkers, the Horten brothers, or Jack Northrop have existed since the birth of aviation, and their argument has always been that the flying wing can carry the same payload as a conventional aircraft, but with less weight and consuming less fuel. The weight and resistance of the tail surfaces disappear, as does the weight of the structure they would be supported on. Northrop had previous experience in the development of flying wings, such as the YB-35 and the YB-49. The B-2 was shown to the public for the first time on November 22, 1989, but the first device, named Spirit of Missouri, was not delivered until December 1993. It has a rather small radar echo, which makes the B-2 almost invisible to radar. A feature that allows it to go further into enemy airspace without being detected even with the most modern detection and defense systems. The low observability of the B-2 is due to the combination of a reduced infrared, acoustic, electromagnetic, visual, and radar signature. We had explained all of that in a SDILT planes video. I'll leave the links in the description and in the cards at the top right of the video. Many aspects of the Spirit's low observability process remain classified, but what is known is that composite materials and special coatings that absorb radar emissions have been used. The engines are designed not to leave condensation trails, and other measures are incorporated for infrared reduction. It is a 4-engine flying wing design. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 170 tons and a range of 11,100 kilometers without refueling. Its maximum speed is 972 km per hour or Mach 0.95, and it has 2 internal bomb bays for bombs or cruise missiles. The B-2 carries 2 crew members. The pilot sits on the left, while on the right is the mission commander. Compared to the 4 crew members needed for a B-1 Lancer or the 5 for a B-52 Stratofortress. It can carry up to a maximum of 36 tons of bombs with a flight range of 11,100 kilometers without refueling. But of course, it can also use the refueling system to extend its operational range. The B-2 can launch up to 80 satellite-guided 500-pound bombs, about 230 kilograms of the Joint Direct Attack Munition type, or 16 B-83 thermonuclear bombs, 2,400 pounds or about 1,100 kilograms each. Along with the B-1B Lancer and the B-52 Stratofortress, the B-2 Spirit forms the triad of manned bombers of the United States Air Force. Its baptism of fire took place in the Kosovo War in '99, where it was responsible for the destruction of 33% of the bombing targets in the first 8 weeks of the intervention in Serbia. In Afghanistan, the B-2 was considered from the beginning. After bombing the ground targets, the B-2s landed on Diego Garcia Island. During the invasion of Iraq, the B-2 carried out operations of up to 30 hours, and there are also records of a mission of more than 50 hours. The B-2 can operate with a single crew member because it is highly automated. The resting pilot can sleep, go to the bathroom, and even prepare a meal while the other pilot takes care of the flight. It is the most expensive plane ever built. The manufacturing cost of each V-2 is around $737 million, and these are figures from 1997. However, the total cost of the program, including development, engineering, and testing expenses, is estimated to be around $2,200 million per plane. Until a new video, my name is Marcos and this is the world of aviation's Aeropedia. Thank you.